Good morning everyone, I hope that you have had a good week. Last week I introduced you the choux à la crème recipe. I hope that you enjoy it and that you will be able to prepare at home. This week you had choice between two recipes again. One was the giant floating islands and the other one was the iconic recipe, the coq au vin. And the winner is the coq au vin. That is why today we make the coq au vin together.
So, ingredients for the coq au vin: 1 chicken free range, bacon, flour, 3 carrots, 3 garlics, bay leaves, fresh mushrooms, 1 onion, small amount of tomato paste, and 1 bottle of red wine. So we start by cutting the chicken. First of all, the 2 wings, then the legs. Then the breast. Cut the top of the legs and the breasts. With the legs, just remove half of the bones. So pack your legs to prepare something nice. Same with the other one. Exactly the same process for the breast. So now use a string and pack your legs and your breasts. So we have the 2 wings, the 2 legs, and the 2 breasts. So in a cocotte, add a small amount of vegetable oil. And now it's time to roast our chicken. Salt, pepper, No rush, it needs to be golden brown. So during this time, it's time now to prepare the mirepoix. We dice roughly our carrots. We crush the garlics. And we cut the onion as same than the carrots. So we turn the chicken on the other side. Now that we get the perfect coloration, we can remove the chicken. In the same cocotte, we can now add the mirepoix. And we stir in a few minutes. We can add a generous spoon of tomato paste, our 20 grams of flour. We stir again, and after 1 or 2 minutes we can add the red wine. When it starts boiling, we stop, we add our 2 bay leaves, and we can soak the chicken in the marinade. So wrap your container. And keep it in the fridge overnight for 24 hours. So the day after, put everything in your cocotte and we will cook slowly during 1 hour. Now it's time to prepare the spaetzle. We need eggs, flour, salt, water, so first of all, the 4 whole eggs. We whisk with the salt. And we can add the eggs with the water. So in the same bowl, add your flour. And now in the middle we can add the liquid. And we prepare the mix from the center to the edges. That is really the best way to avoid the lumps. So see the textures? It's soft, but it's not too liquid. So we clean all around. Now we've wrapped the mix. and you keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So, after 30 minutes, it's time to prepare the spaetzle. Use a strainer or the flat tray with some big holes. Put on the top your spaetzle dough and push to get your spaetzle. After 1 or 2 minutes, your spaetzle rise. And straight away it's time to remove your spaetzle and put in a cold water. And you will see straight away they will start to drop, which is a good sign that your spaetzle are cooked. So now we'll prepare the mushrooms and the bacon for your coq au vin. You dice your mushrooms in 4. So your bacon in rough piece. So now in the pan, some vegetable oil, and you will roast your mushrooms with the nuts of butter. Salt and pepper. Add your bacon. And you roast until golden brown. So later we'll add this bacon and mushrooms in the coq au vin. So in the same pan, add your spaetzle, nuts of butter again, taste. If you think that it's not enough salted, it's time to add some salt. Golden brown, and now it's perfect.
I hope you enjoyed the coq au vin recipe. I think this recipe doesn't have any more secret for you. I was also happy to share the spaetzle recipe that you will see the kids love it. It's of course an Alsatian recipe, and it's really simple to do and so tasty, especially during the autumn season or the winter. So next week we'll give you rendezvous for two other recipe, and on the Saturday we'll send you the video online. If from there you have any specific wish, do not hesitate to send me the recipe that you would like to see, and I will prepare for you. See you next time. Bye.